Racing just is started. We have Fire Prince first to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside, Don Alejandro Sagarmata, Euromax down on the inside, Legacy, then followed by a Storm Flag, Pretty Bull, Deadly Storm, Copperhead comes next, Lady Lauren proceeding, Green Apple down on the inside, 5 o'clock, while Miss Pangaw is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Don Alejandro being hustled now by Sagarmata in second, Euromax now moving up to take third, Legacy, Pretty Bull is Storm Flag, then followed over by entry number 2 Fire Prince, Copperhead, Lady Lauren, Deadly Storm, 5 o'clock comes next, Miss Pangaw proceedings, and while entry number 11 Green Apple now racing in 14th, and at the part turn we have Don Alejandro by about 4 lengths. Coming closer in second is Euromax, Pretty Bull, Fire Prince like twice now moving up, and as they swing for home we have Don Alejandro by about 4 lengths. Euromax still in second. Fire Prince, Pretty Bull with about 100 meters of the race. Don Alejandro, Euromax on the outside. Don Alejandro followed by Euromax. And finally it's Don Alejandro, Euromax, Fire Prince, Copperhead, Pretty Bull, and Legacy for your Super 6.